the courtroom and outside the courtroom. Because basically what this said, Amber had an enormous amount of evidence, although a lot of it was suppressed in this case, as opposed to the UK. That was the defending Amber Heard on national TV just a couple of months ago. But the story has now changed since Johnny Depp emerged as the winner of the 6-week-long defamation suit. Not only has the professional and general relationship between them crumbled, but they now seem to be at an all-out battle against each other. And guess who started all of this? You got that right. Our very own Amber. And boy, has she messed things up pretty badly. Want to know more about how this pair went from daylight buddies to outrightly hunting each other? Then stick around with me here to get the full story. Although a lot of people would agree that Elaine didn't exactly do the best job at presenting Amber's case or even defending her in general. However, that shouldn't affect her professional compensation as it was already agreed upon before the case even began. But somehow Amber has managed to block the only avenue she could use to get her money for the case. And now they seem to be in an all-out fight. Now, while it may seem like Amber is punishing her former lawyer for putting her in a debt of over $10 million, all of this is actually a bit more complicated than it seems. But of course, it still trails back to Amber at the center. It all started when New York Marine and General Insurance Co. filed a lawsuit against the Aquaman actor in a federal court seeking to avoid having to pay her after her unsuccessful defense of a defamation lawsuit brought by her ex-husband, Johnny Depp. The insurance company said in the lawsuit that it doesn't believe it has an ongoing obligation to defend her. Another insurance company is also providing coverage to Hurt. An actual controversy has arisen and now exists between plaintiff on the one hand and Hurt on the other hand with regard to the duties and obligations owed between plaintiff and Hurt under the policy with respect to indemnity for her actions in the Depp case, New York Marine said in its complaint. James P. Wagner, attorney for New York Marine. The day after, neither Hurt nor any representative